Hello, I'm Peter, and I'm here to talk about my favorite VHS project. During my time in VHS computer science, where I worked on a lot of projects, an activity that I particularly liked was a discussion activity. In this activity, we were tasked to collaborate with our peers and write a program to construct a class and Java objects. Here's a snippet of the code that I wrote for this activity. Let me tell you what it does. So first, my classmate created a Java class called CookieJar, and a class is like a blueprint for things in Java called objects. You can create any object you want and give it any name, but my classmate decided to call these objects cookie jars. And he created different types of cookies to put in it, including sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies. So my task in the project was to create a bunch of these cookie jar objects, and that's what I did. To put it simply, I wrote a program that created a couple cookie jars. One with 5 chocolate chip cookies and 2 sugar cookies, another with 3 chocolate chip cookies and 4 sugar cookies, and then I created 10,000 randomly assigned cookie jars. Why I really liked this activity was because it helped me improve my teamwork skills. Typically, coding courses don't have this collaboration aspect, and I think that's wrong. In the real world, especially when working on projects, you have to collaborate with other people. And that's why I like this VHS Learning activity. It helped me improve my coding collaboration skills and taught me new things that I wouldn't have learned from in a typical coding course. Furthermore, this activity changed how I thought about coding. Before, I had thought that programming wasn't exciting or fun, but this activity made me genuinely interested in coding and even inspired me to participate in online coding contests and hackathons. I believe it helped me meet a whole community of programmers that I didn't even know existed. Without this VHS Learning activity, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you for listening to my video about my VHS experience.